Yeah.
Hello, Margaret.
Right, go before he flies away.
Up the ladder now, come on. Up you go up the ladder. Good birdie. What's he doing there? Climbing ladders? Pointing the dog. Hey, Mrs. What's he doing? Up you go. What's he at?
Go bring him down again and get him up.
Lovely birdie, is he? Now don't bite his tail.
Right, audience, on your keypad, please. Your chance to shine.
Get her to go. Get him to go.
First question, they needed your help. Here it comes. In 2008, cricketer became 25th.
Look at her face.
First-class century. Hey, on your keypad.
There. What's that? A budgie? A parakeet? Where is he? Come on. Good boy. Up the ladder. Let's go up the plastic hill. Yay! Look at that. Boo! What's that? Take her. Boo! Yes. They're birdies. Birdies. Look at George. Yes. Up, George. Look. Come on, George. Here we go again. More tricks for the camera. Boo boo. Who's that, George?
I know that ramps have an amazing season.
I thought Pooty Ted. I did thought Pooty Ted. Yes, one up on my hand.
Chronologically, I know the season after he played amazing cricket, and that would be the
There you
season
go.
he'd score. Obviously, he'd score more. He's so older, so he had a lot of time to score.
Nearly.
Like in his early 40s, I think now.
It's a bloody zoo.
Cash is a good answer, actually. Yeah.
Wallace Cage. Come on, there you go. Well trained birdies. Do you want out? Little one. Come on, out you go. No. Right, that's it.